कह दूंगा तो लाखों बच्चे नाराज हो जाएंगे.
नाक मत कटाना. Know your thing. Know everything. Be prepared.
I was also surprised that my grandmother was more modern than probably the generation after her.
मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ.
हाँ.
कोई इतना बिजी नहीं होता कि वो अपने पेरेंट्स या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ वक्त नहीं बिताए.
हेलो एवरीवन, मैं हूं कोमल विश्वकर्मा और आज हमारे साथ एक ब्रिलियंट स्टार कास्ट है ऑफ बिन्नी एंड फैमिली, पंकज जी एंड अंजनी. वेलकम टू पीपिंग मून. हाउ आर यू गाइज डूइंग टुडे?
बस आज ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ जिसका एक्साइटमेंट था हम सबको. उसके बाद बहुत से इंटरव्यूज हुए और अब आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हैं.
Thank you so much. Anjani, what about you? How are you doing? How are you feeling? It's a big day today.
It's a very big day. It's a very special day. I'm excited. I was nervous, but now I think I've eased into it. I'm just very excited.
Binny and Family explores an evolution of generations, you know. It's an experience. ये फिल्म इमोशंस से भरी हुई है. पंकज जी, आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, जब आप ये फिल्म कर रहे थे, आपकी लाइफ एक्सपीरियंसेस क्या आपने इस फिल्म में पुट इन की है? बिकॉज यू नो यू हैव सीन योर किड्स ग्रो. तो क्या आपने कुछ अपनी चीज़ें ऐड की हैं इस फिल्म में?
नहीं, ज़्यादातर चीज़ें तो जो डायरेक्टर लिखते हैं, जो राइटर ने लिखा होता है या जो डायरेक्टर आपसे चाहते हैं वो होता है. छोटा मोटा मशवरा बतौर अभिनेता आप देते ही हैं अपने डायरेक्टर को, ताकि आपके कैरेक्टर में जो आप कैरेक्टर कर रहे हैं उसमें थोड़ा एक डेप्थ आ जाए, एक बात आ जाए. उन छोटी मोटी चीज़ों के बारे में आप डायरेक्टर से डिस्कस करते हैं. अगर उनको मुनासिब लगता है कि जो बात आप कह रहे हैं वो ठीक है, देन ही एक्सेप्ट्स इट. अदरवाइज you stay quiet and do what you're supposed to do. As far as experience from personal life is concerned, well, life in itself is an experience.
Yes.
So whatever is in the storeroom of your experience, not necessarily vis-a-vis this character, but vis-a-vis life itself, that sort of supplies the material to you when you go out there to perform a character or to live a character. So that was, with God's grace, there. And whatever best I could dig out of that, I did, and I extended it to the character that was offered to me by the director.
Anjani, you are stepping into Bollywood with the name Dhawan, जो अपने आप में ही एक legacy है इंडस्ट्री में. How does it feel when you carry it and now you're creating it, like अपनी खुद की identity आप बना रहे हो उसी नाम से?
I'm very proud of the family I come from. I love watching their movies, and I'm so glad to be here, to be doing what my dada did, what my bhaiya does, what my dad did for a bit. So yeah, it's very exciting for me. I'm doing what I love doing the most. So yeah, I could not ask for anything more.
When you were approached for this, how did the family react? मतलब वो initial stage पे वो reaction कैसा था उनका?
Initial stage में तो बताया नहीं मैंने उन्हें. I told them after signing the project. I just didn't tell anyone because I was like, this is my choice. It's my decision to do this film because I feel so strongly about it. Sign करने के बाद मैंने उन्हें बताया.
And how did they react?
They're all so happy and so excited and really proud of me.
Did they give you any advices कि नहीं ये करना ऐसे करना, or they were like कि हाँ we are confident on you?
No, बहुत advice, बहुत. You have to be very honest to yourself, to your character. And I think before I left for shoot, before I left for London, my dad was like, Anjani, ध्यान से, you're performing opposite Pankaj sir. It's like नाक मत कटाना. Know your thing. Know everything. Be prepared.
आपने कुछ ऐसे precautions लिए जब आप उनके साथ सीन कर रहे थे कि ऐसे रहना है या ऐसे करना है?
हाँ, ज़्यादातर सीन्स में मास्क पहने हुए थे. Precaution. That's a joke. Sorry.
Yeah, it's okay.
Precaution तो मतलब किस बात का? I don't think precaution. I think I was just very well prepared with my lines, with myself, with just being Binny in that moment. I think कोई ऐसी भूल चूक I didn't want to have where I'm forgetting lines or something like this happening in front of Pankaj sir, because he comes on set knowing everything. So I didn't want to be. I used to over prepare myself because I didn't want to be in a situation wherein that shot अच्छा जा रहा है and in front of sir that line भूल गए. That was something I could not afford to do, especially my first film opposite him.
पंकज जी, आप इंडस्ट्री में इतने सालों से आपने काफ़ी कुछ चीज़ें देखी है, उतार चढ़ाव. हाउ डू यू थिंक द इंडस्ट्री हैज़ इवॉल्व्ड जनरेशन टू जनरेशन? क्योंकि काफ़ी डिफरेंसेस अभी देखने को मिले जब पहले की फिल्में हम देखते थे और अब की देखते हैं.
मेरा ख्याल है कंटेंट ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हो गया है इवन मेन स्ट्रीम सिनेमा में. कहानियाँ बनने लगी हैं, फार्मूलाज जो हैं वो डिसअपीयर हो रहे हैं. और बड़ी अजीब सी बात है कि जिस दौर का टेलीविज़न मैंने किया था ज़्यादा, उस दौर का टेलीविज़न बिल्कुल बदल गया. और जिस दौर का सिनेमा अब चल रहा है, उस तरह का टेलीविज़न उस ज़माने में बना करता था. विच मीन्स के इट वॉज कंटेंट बेस्ड, इट वॉज स्टोरी बेस्ड, इट वॉज रिलेशनशिप बेस्ड, इट हैड अ सेंस ऑफ लिटरेचर अबाउट इट. तो आज की तारीख़ में उस तरह की फ़िल्में बनने लगी हैं जिनकी कहानी अच्छी होती है, सशक्त होती है. इवन अगर आप गौर करें तो जो सो कॉल्ड मेन स्ट्रीम सिनेमा है, उसमें भी अब कंटेंट के ऊपर बहुत तवज्जो दी जाने लगी है. भले उसकी मेकिंग किसी भी किस्म की रही हो, लेकिन जो बेसिक कैरेक्टर है या जो बेसिक कहानी कही जा रही है या जो बात फिल्म के ज़रिए ऑडियंस तक पहुंचाई जा रही है, उसमें कुछ ना कुछ अच्छी बात ज़रूर होती है. एटलीस्ट लार्ज पार्ट of the mainstream cinema. That's what I would say. Which I think is a huge change from what it was in the 70s and the 80s and the 90s to what it is today in the 2020s.
Good change.
Great change.
Pankaj ji is a skilled actor. You know, the way he talks also ऐसा लगता है कि वो सुनते जाए. So I'm sure कि आपने बहुत कुछ सीखा होगा जब आप उनके साथ alongside काम कर रहे थे. Any learnings you want to share जो आपको हमेशा याद रहेंगी, या any advices he gave to you या आपने सीख ली हो बिना बोले ही?
I think just watching him, you're learning. Just watching Pankaj ji on screen, you're learning. Co-acting with him, you're learning. But one thing that I definitely did pick on was that Pankaj ji doesn't think of his own performance. He wants to elevate the scene. He looks at it as a scene as a whole. I remember there were 2-3 moments wherein I think Pankaj ji had given his input not for himself or his performance, but to elevate the scene. He always thinks of the person, like coming in as a newcomer. I was thinking, oh, my performance. I was not maybe focusing on the scene initially in the few days. I was so stressed about my own performance. But when I saw, like, there was this moment where Pankaj ji had said something which was to elevate the scene. I was like, that's what you're supposed to actually think of. You're supposed to think of the scene in all, because that's what lifts the film up. Yeah. So that was a great learning.
Actually, ये बच्चे मुझसे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. So they are being so sweet and kind to me.
कोई बात नहीं है. I mean every single thing I'm saying.
Thank you बेटा. Thank you.
आजकल के जनरेशन में सब कुछ मिलता है. सब कुछ बहुत फास्ट है. कोई खाना ऑर्डर कर लेते हैं, बात कर लेते हैं दूर से, जो भी चीज़ें. बट आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, व्हाट डू यू थिंक व्हाट इज लैकिंग इन दिस जनरेशन? आई एम श्योर जो हमारा कनेक्शन है हमारी फैमिली से वो है. उसके अलावा व्हाट डू यू थिंक अबाउट, व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन दिस?
कह दूंगा तो लाखों बच्चे नाराज हो जाएंगे.
नो
I think what नहीं, I'll tell you. It's a great generation to begin with. Very knowledgeable, but their attention span is very short. Okay, it can shift from one place to the other, to the other in no time. It's not completely their mistake. It's the technology they are addressing. It is important that in today's time, even with the technology that we have at hand, we should try and give a concentrated attention to one thing at a time. Once that has reached its end or crescendo, or your understanding of that is complete, move on to the next one, because that is provided to you in any case, instead of just browsing through everything and gathering nothing. For instance, it's a very old saying, rolling stones gather no mass. So from that point of view, if you don't stay and imbibe, it's not going to stay with you. So you need to do that. That's, if at all, I'm not saying all of them, no, some of them, they need to sort of, if they agree with me, I'm not saying agree with me, please don't, in case you don't.
No, actually 100% agree.
No, I'm just saying, this is the only observation. Otherwise, I think it's a great generation. So knowledgeable. They know things. I mean, probably it took me 50 years to know things which they probably would know in 20 years of their age, which I think is wonderful. Yet, how much of them is is what they are going to remember 10 years from now. I remember everything practically of importance since maybe I was 8 or 9 years of age.
Oh.
So I'm saying, are they going to remember that? Are they going to imbibe that? Is that going to stay with them? Good, bad, ugly, I'm not talking about that.
Yeah.
Because possibly 20 years from now, they might say, that was a rubbish generation which remembered so much. You don't need to do that. For instance, telephone numbers. We used to remember
Yeah,
telephone numbers
exactly.
by heart. For instance, spellings. There were special classes. My father was a professor in English. He had a technique of making us learn spellings. In today's time, there is a spell correct. So it tells you what the spelling is. You don't even bother to see, okay, let me learn what it has taught
Yeah.
me. You just say, okay, fine. You say, okay, and you move on. So what I'm saying is, कुछ हासिल हुआ है तो कुछ खोया भी जा रहा है. जो हासिल हुआ है उसको हासिल कर लो. जो खोया जा रहा है उसको भी पकड़ लो. उसको जाने मत दो ताकि वो हमेशा के लिए आपके साथ रहे.
I'm guilty of everything you just said.
I think everyone
My
is.
head is going lower.
No, this is just I'm just putting it out there because you asked me this question.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I think it's a great generation, and frankly speaking, I constantly look forward learning from them. I look forward to that because with the speed with which they pick up things is amazing. I would love to be in that space, but I would be careful, as I said.
Yeah.
I'd rather be in that space and stay put for a while to be able to imbibe.
ठहराव जरूरी है जिंदगी में.
What a lovely thing you said.
मेरे जो ग्रैंडफादर थे वो भी कुछ इस तरह की
जी.
हमें चीजें सिखाते थे.
जी.
तो ग्रैंडफादर्स जो होते हैं, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स जो होते हैं, वो हमारी ज़िंदगी को मुझे लगता है कि बचपन को हम शेप कर देते हैं, हमें आगे जो काम आती है हम जब बड़े हो जाते हैं. तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आज, बिकॉज हमने एक चीज़ नोटिस की है कि आजकल ना लोग अपने ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ ज़्यादा रह नहीं पाते हैं. इनफैक्ट मैं तो बोलूँ पेरेंट्स के साथ भी नहीं रह पाते हैं, जो मुझे लगता है कि कहीं ना कहीं इज़ नॉट राइट. व्हाट आर योर थॉट्स ऑन इट?
I don't become judgmental about it because हर एक के हालात हैं.
हाँ.
उन हालात के हिसाब से इंसान को ज़िंदगी जीना पड़ती है. सो बट व्हाट इज़ इम्पोर्टेंट, ज़रूरी चीज़ ये है कि बावजूद आपके हालात के आप वो रिश्ता, वो इमोशन अपने रिस्पेक्टिव पेरेंट्स, बच्चे, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स, दूसरे रिश्तेदारों के साथ कायम रख पा रहे हैं या नहीं रख पा रहे हैं. तो अहम बात यह है कि वो आप रख पाएँ बावजूद अपनी मसरूफियात के, बावजूद इस बात के कि आप कई दूसरी चीज़ों में दूर निकल गए हैं, घर से दूर निकल गए हैं, आपका प्रोफेशन आपको कहीं और ले जाने की डिमांड करता है वगैरह वगैरह. मगर आपकी तरफ से एफ़र्ट क्या है? अगर वो एफ़र्ट बरकरार है, भले कितनी भी छोटी एफ़र्ट हो, अगर वो एफ़र्ट बरकरार है तो डिस्टेंसेस कभी भी इतने नहीं हो जाएंगे कि एक खाई पैदा हो जाए. वो रिश्ता हमेशा आपका उनके साथ बना रहेगा. जी.
To add to that, I just feel like आपके पेरेंट्स, आपके ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स आपको बड़ा करते हैं, आपके लिए कितना करते हैं. आई थिंक देयर इज नो सच थिंग एज मैं बहुत बिजी हूँ.
हाँ.
कोई इतना बिजी नहीं होता कि वो अपने पेरेंट्स या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ वक्त नहीं बिताए. आई थिंक यू शुड गो आउट ऑफ योर वे टू मेक देम फील दैट एंड गिव देम दैट इम्पोर्टेंस. सो व्हाट इफ आई एम बिजी, सो व्हाट अगर आपका 12 घंटे का दिन गया, still go and give them that importance and that love, because I feel like your parents and your grandparents, they just really do want that from you. And I think कोई इतना busy नहीं होता कि वो अपने parents and grandparents को time ना दे. And
very well said. I'm very happy to hear this from this generation.
because they do so much for you. आपको बचपन से इतना बड़ा किया है, आप busy हैं, not an excuse. I think time बनाना आपकी responsibility है and आपको out of your way जाके करना चाहिए.
जिस तरीके से हमने ट्रेलर में देखा, वो जो जनरेशन होती है वो अवॉइड करती है, उन्हें नहीं अच्छा लगता उनके साथ रहना. आई एम नॉट श्योर, बट क्या आपके लाइफ में ऐसा कुछ सिमिलर इंसिडेंट हुआ है या फिर आपके इक्वेशंस अच्छे थे आपके?
मेरे ग्रैंडपेरेंट्स
Yes.
मेरे इक्वेशंस बहुत अच्छे थे, टच वुड. माय दादी इज द मोस्ट मॉडर्न पर्सन हमारे घर में. मॉम, डैड, सबको, एवरीवन असाइड, दादी इज मोर मॉडर्न देन मी आल्सो. My daddy's spellings are also better than mine because वो बहुत avid reader है, बहुत एक बुक दिन में पढ़ लेती है, तो उनकी नॉलेज बहुत ही ज़्यादा है एंड वो काफ़ी जेंजी टिप्स मुझे देती है एक्चुअली.
Alright.
And yeah, I'm growing up, I think सबके साथ रिलेशनशिप बहुत क्लोज हुआ है. आई थिंक हर एक ग्रैंड पेरेंट के पास डिफरेंट टाइप की सलाह करी गई.
What about you, sir?
Well, I was close to my grandmother, my paternal grandmother. Maternal grandmother used to live away from us, and I lost my respective grandfathers, paternal and maternal, pretty early. So I didn't have much to do with them. But I was very close to my grandmother, and I was also surprised that my grandmother was more modern than probably the generation after her. So which was something very wonderful. And I have very fond memories of her, though it was not many years that I stayed with her. I mean, she passed on when I was barely 19 or 20, when I was already studying in National School of Drama. She passed on. So, but whenever there was an opportunity, I loved spending time with her and listening to the stories that she used to tell us. And I loved her modern approach to life, which was wonderful. She was a lady barely 5 feet tall, but she was so elegant that she would change thrice a day. She would change even for going for an evening walk.
Wow.
She would change her sari, and she would wear a sari in front pallu. You know, very stylish. And she had huge spectacles that she used to wear. Tiny little thing, but very elegant. So I have really fond memories of my grandmother.
Amazing. Okay, jate jate, I want to ask you, what was the most surprising thing which you learned or experienced through this film or through each other?
I think, like I said before, one thing I've really learned from Pankaj sir is it's not about just your performance. It's about the entire scene. And I think he does care for the entire scene. And there's a moment where they're not taking my clothes. And he said, wait, I think you should take a close-up of Anjani because I think it will also look nice in the scene. So it's that little, like, I even didn't think of it. But like, unke dhyan mein aaya.
वो नजरिया है उनका.
वो नजरिया है. So I think very alert, very like, but also of course it comes from that experience that he has as well. But it's something I would also love to be like that. I would love to be like that and learn and be that alert and sharp that, oh, we can do this to elevate this. And that's something, it was very sweet.
What about you, sir?
I think one thing that I learned from this generation while shooting this film, I also learn it from others when I'm working with other youngsters, is the confidence that they have. I'm still very nervous before I go in front of the camera with each character. But there's a certain confidence that they have, and that confidence comes from their knowledge and their preparation for whatever they're doing, which is wonderful. And the other is, which is also a content in the film, have fun, enjoy life, at whatever age you are. I think that's something that I brought with me. Not that I've completely imbibed it. If I completely imbibe it, my children would be thrilled. I have maybe partially imbibed it, but that's something that came to my notice while I was doing the film. Also being the part of the content in the film, it did affect me, and I thought that I can carry this home with me.
Do you think you haven't had fun, or are you satisfied?
No. I'm saying I've had fun in my life.
Yeah.
I'm still having fun of a different nature. When you reach a certain age, then you feel these are don'ts and these are do's, etc. They're not do's and don'ts. I mean, you can have fun your own way. You can define fun for yourself, but have a smile on your face and go through life as it comes. Instead of fretting over, my dad used to use this lovely sentence, which I even today adore. He used to often write to me and say that, are you happy or are you still brooding over an ill-spent life?
Wow.
So I thought that's something that sort of came to me that, yeah, Dad used to say this to me. I have a tendency of pondering a bit too much. Forget about it. Just live the moment. Just enjoy the moment. Yet don't be irresponsible about it. You know, live it responsibly, but enjoy the moment. Enjoy life. Be positive.
Amazing. I think बहुत सारे लोगों को ये चीज़ें follow करनी चाहिए. Life बहुत easy हो जाएगी rather than cribbing about stupid things. Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you guys. I hope I wish you all the very best for Binny and family. Thank you so much.
20th September.
20th September to the audience.
Y'all must watch it with your full family.
Thank you.